I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Download the TradeX app and tap Create Account to begin. Provide your legal name, date of birth, and social security number now. Confirm your email address by entering the 6-digit code we send you. Create a strong password of at least 12 characters with letters and numbers. Enable two-factor authentication using SMS or an authenticator app for added security. Choose whether you want margin features. Review the margin agreement before opting. Read and accept the user agreement to finish registration and access the dashboard. Link a bank account using ACH and verify 2 microdeposits to confirm ownership. Choose between instant funding for faster trades or standard ACH for no fee. Instant funding may charge a small fee depending on your bank and amount. If you need tax documents, opt into electronic form 1099 delivery in settings. Set up recurring deposits by selecting an amount and a weekly or monthly schedule. Check your available buying power on the dashboard before placing any orders. Review withdrawal limits and expected ACH timing to plan trades. Search for a ticker using the top search bar and open its quote page. Tap buy or sell and decide between a market order or a limit order. Enter order size by dollar amount or number of shares and review estimated fees. For limit orders, set your target price and duration, like day or good till canceled. Confirm the order and watch the Orders tab for fills and partial fills in real time. Use the trade history to export fills, cost basis, and realized gains for tax reporting. Adjust alerts for price, news, and order.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.